Good morning, everyone. I am Stephanie Hamili and I'll be reporting lean manufacturing. So, lean manufacturing is being tackled for the first group, sila ni Miss Baliog. And then, natakol ato nga asa nagamit ang lean manufacturing or asa ni usbong ang lean manufacturing, which is ato sa Toyota company. So, lean manufacturing is a methodology that focuses on minimizing waste with manufacturing systems while simultaneously maximizing productivity. So, ang lean manufacturing di ay kay methodology siya. So, ang lean manufacturing kay minimize siya og waste, like iyang i-eliminate ang waste nga naa sa manufacturing to avoid the high rates of production cost. And then it also maximize productivity. If nag-eliminate siya og waste, nag-maximize siya og productivity sa manufacturing company. So waste is seen as anything that customers do not believe adds value and not willing to pay for. So if ever kita company and then kita ang nagahimo, so ang mga reject ana ang mga waste nga atong mahimo is dili na nalabot sa bayaran sa mga customers. So maong naay lean manufacturing kay para gamay ra ang ato ang waste nga mabuhat kay wala man ay labot sa bayaran sa customers. So some of the benefits of lean manufacturing can include reduced lead times, reduced operating costs, and improved product quality. So, reduced lead times, kana bitawng dili na magbalik-balik, it's kanang dili siya time consuming. Reduced operating cost. So, if magkamali-mali ta, di magbalik-balik ang ato ang operating. So, lain na pod ang price, lain na pod ang mong cost nga gamiton. And then, improve product quality. So, of course, if naay lean manufacturing process, so magka-improve ang atong product quality kay nag-eliminate man tag waste and nag-maximize pud ta og productivity. So, ang lean manufacturing, also known as lean production or lean, is a practice that organizations from numerous fields can enable. So, some well-known companies uses lean include Toyota, Intel, John Deere, and Nike. The approach is based of the Toyota production system. So, ang lean manufacturing approach is based on Toyota production system. So since ang Toyota man ang nakauna og gamit ani nga production system, so ang ubang company sa nagamit ani kay maybe it is effective para sa mga dagkong companies or effective ni siya nga process sa any kind of business. So, I'll be giving to the next reporters, and they will be the one who will expound what is lean manufacturing, what is in the lean manufacturing process or strategy. They will be discussing about the principles of lean manufacturing, what are the ways.
I'm Jimbo Riboya and I'm going to report about the waste reduction in lean manufacturing. Reducing waste is at the heart of the lean business methodology. The purpose of lean is to spend more of your time creating value for customers by reducing or eliminating everything that does not produce value, which is the waste. Value can take the form of finished goods, services, or information. To make it easier to identify waste in business processes, lean practitioners target 8 specific type of waste. This waste is related to the time and material spent doing something or of poor quality and later fixing it or trashing it. Lean practitioners also count the inspection cost as part of this waste. Although you shouldn't reduce inspection unless you've created perfect quality through mistake-proofing techniques. Here are some examples of waste. Transportation. The waste of transportation involves moving inventory, people, tools, or other items more often or further than is necessary. Excessive movement can lead to product damage, unnecessary work, and exhaustion. Waiting. Waiting involves customers, patients, or inventory sitting idle. Waiting happens when the person or item is ready for the next step, but the process is not prepared to accommodate them. Next, motion. The waste of motion involves the unnecessary movement of people or items within a work center. It is often the result of neglecting the 5S. Overproduction. Overproduction is of particular concern because it exacerbates transportation, inventory, and motion waste. Overprocessing. Overprocessing means doing work that does not add value to the customer. Overprocessing is resolved with simplification. Next is inventory. The waste of inventory involves storing products or materials that are not needed. Excess inventory results in a waste of space and it wastes the cost associated with the physical inventory. Then lastly is the human potential. It is probably the most common and most damaging type of waste that organizations encounter.
Principle of lean manufacturing. This is the five principle of lean manufacturing. First is value, second is the value stream, third is flow, fourth is pull, and five is perfection. First, the value. This principle defines what constitutes value for the customer. It is not you think a product or a service is worth, but what the customer is willing to pay for. Lean manufacturing strives to eliminate any steps or processes that don't add value from the customer's perspective. The second is the value stream. Once value is defined, the next step is to map the value stream. This involves identifying all the steps involved in bringing a product or a service from conception to customer. By mapping the entire process, manufacturing can identify areas of waste and efficiency. The third is the flow. After waste is identified in the value stream, lean manufacturing focuses on creating a smooth flow of work. This means eliminating bottlenecks, delaying and disrupting that prevent continuous flow of material and products throughout the production process. Fourth is tool. A core tenet of lean manufacturing is to avoid overproduction. To pull system ensure that production is driven by actual customer demand. Inventory is only produced as needed, reducing waste and storage cost. The five and the last is the perfection. After waste is identified in a value stream, lean manufacturing focuses on creating a smooth flow of work. This means eliminating bottlenecks, delays, and any disruptions that prevent a continuous flow of materials and products through the production process.
Continuous improvement. Continuous improvement model is a framework to help identify, analyze, and optimize process through continuous improvement initiatives. Continuous improvement model is an iterative process. There are four main principles of CI: plan, do, check, and act. Plan. Establish objectives for specific or global process improvement based on the current state. Do. Perform necessary work to meet those objectives. Check. Perform tests on the method to validate and analyze the results on a continuous basis. Act. Put into action the process improvement, closely monitor results if additional improvement to the process is possible. Repeat the plan, do, check, act, cycle to further eliminate waste, reduce inefficiencies, and improve operations.
Good day, I am John Taray and I will be reporting one of the types of production in a manufacturing company, which is the GIT or the just-in-time production. So usa lang ni sa mga types of production. So just-in-time production. Just-in-time manufacturing is a production strategy that produces goods based on customer orders. This strategy is used to minimize inventory and increase efficiency within the company's supply chain. JIT closely coordinates the flow of materials, information, and equipment so that customer orders are produced and delivered within specific time windows. So, just-in-time manufacturing focuses on the business side of improving the manufacturing process by lowering costs and reducing lag times. So, one of the common examples of a company that uses just-in-time method in production is the automobile company. So specifically kanang Toyota company. So dili na sila unlike kanang other type of process bitaw nga mag-stock, mga products, mag-produce og mga products, mag-stock for the clients, no. So mag-stock kini nga company nagamit ni sila og kanang ingani nga method of production because to minimize the inventory and increase efficiency within the company's supply chains, no. Kung unsaray kanang orders sa client, no, like for example ang quantity nga gi-order sa client nga Toyota car is 10, so more sa nay gamon sa company, which is maka-minimize sila og costs bitaw, and then the specific time to be delivered is nakaset na sad. So kung unsa ray kinahanglan sa client nga quantity mo ra sa i-produce sa company, no. Kay kining automobile company every year na amagud ni sila kanang different models, no. Kung kining mga tao kung unsay kanang uso mo usay kanang kung unsay uso masunod sa uso, no, like kanang every year magud na ay kining mga cars, kaning mga model sa car is magbago-bago, so kaning mga tao sabay sa uso. So kung like for example Toyota company nagamaog kanang model ana nga specific year like 2019, so dili na sila basta-basta og kanang produce og more cars, no, model ana nga year 2019 kay kanang pwede man gud maotro ang model, no. So masayang ang stock sa mga sakyanan sa anak nga model nga 2019 kay may makaproduce naman pod og bag-ong model in the year 2020. So masayang ra ang na stock nga mga sakyanan sa anak nga year nga model, no, because mas prefer man sa mga tao ang mga upgraded nga mga sakyanan or bag-o nga model, no. So mo nang just-in-time method of manufacturing is usa gyud na sa makapalambo sa usa ka company, no. Mao gyud na pinaka kanang importante or pinaka best nga strategy of production, especially sa inganing nga type of business, no. Kay ma-avoid man yun nila ang inventory, ma-minimize nila ang inventory, and especially ma-increase ang efficiency sa ilang company. So that is why kanang dali ra gyud mo lambo ang company, especially kung ingani nga klase nga business ang ilahang gipadagan, no? So that's all for my reporting, and thank you.